Hey guys, welcome back to the Thrifty Christian YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about selling plants, live plants. So this is something that when I was up early one morning doing some research, I discovered that people were selling live plants and they were selling seeds and cuttings from plants. And it was something that I really wanted to just kind of test to see if it could be done. Now I'm going to give you a little bit of a backstory here. My mother loves plants, and when I stumbled across this, I thought, wow, my mom, I used to own a nursery a long time ago when I was in the landscape industry, so my mom was always helping me. She always loved to come out and take cuttings and propagate plants. So I thought, I wonder if this is something that would interest my mom, because that's all we really talk about. We talk about our plants and we talk about, wouldn't it be nice to just grow this plant if we could? It was always a challenge for us to go in and try to grow or propagate from either a cutting or a seed, certain types of plants. So that's what we've done over the years. So in this, I explained to my mom what I was finding on eBay, and I challenged her. I just said basically, hey, let's see if we can grow, a tray of tomato plants, and let's see if we can sell one. So basically we did that. We grew a tray, and in these following clips, I'll show you the process on how how she grew the plants. I got to give her credit for that, and how we did the shipping. So if this interests you guys, I can show you in another video or something else where I found these sources. But you can just basically go onto eBay and look for, just type in seeds, plant seeds or live plants, and you can put in a variety of a plant. And like I said, in this case, we grew little tomato plants, and they just grow so easy and they grow so fast that it's not much of a challenge to do. But if you figure you can grow 72 individual cells with multiple plants in each cell, and it's not something that you have to, you don't really have to monitor these plants. You just have to have a little bit of a space. So it's something that people can do. Now, I'm going to add this disclaimer. I am in no way, shape, or form versed in transporting agricultural products across state lines. So in this video, I am actually taking a risk. Now, I can say that when we listed the product, right, there was a pop-up, and it was a warning stating that you need to read and understand the laws for each state as far as how to, ship plants and what can be shipped across international lines as well. So since we're not doing anything international, which I know is a no-no, thanks to that Border Wars show that I watched years ago that specifically talked about people who got caught at the airports trying to introduce a fruit or a plant or something like that. So that's my disclaimer. If you guys want to do this, please do your own research. Please do not hit me up with comments, because I cannot answer those questions simply because I need to keep myself free of any liability in those areas. Okay, so the first thing that I do is I just come to the little tray and I just extract the little plant like so. These trays are called cell trays, and basically what they have is just a double liner. So here you can see the little roots in the bottom. The bottom of the tray holds moisture or water, and that allows you to just set them out here. I've got them set out here by my pool patio because my mother actually grows them. So anyway, just pull a couple of them out, and then we walk them inside. There's Chico. And And I've already pulled them, so I bring them and then I put them on this paper towel so that way some excess moisture can get pulled off of them. And then I just wrap them in cellophane like that. And then from there, I took 2 plastic water bottles, and basically I'm just going to slip these 2 together and put them inside that, and then put this over the top of it, and then put them in the box. But I'll also put some paper or some bubble wrap inside the box so that way it won't jostle around in shipping. So let me do that real quick. Okay, so there we go. I just put them right inside. I don't even have to tape this together. I don't have to tape the 2 halves together. It's about the same size as a regular bottle. And at this height, they fit in perfectly. They're not crowded. The stems are not bent. But yeah, so now I'll just strategically place it inside the box. So there we go. It's not going to get damaged. The plants are going to be fine. You can see that they're not going to get damaged in any way. So now I'll just tape this up, throw a label on it, and get it out as soon as possible. So being that this is the first time that I've done this, I'm really curious as to how much this weighs and what it's going to cost me. Oh my goodness! I can't believe it. Only 7 ounces. That means that it's going to cost me to ship it to Illinois, and thanks USPS for messing up all the pricing. It'll cost me $3.28 to ship that to Illinois, and that's going to be awesome. So that's right about where I wanted the pricing as far as shipping. And I may go in and modify these boxes or find a box that's a lot smaller to reduce maybe another couple of ounces and get that price down even further. So considering that I've got air pillows, very lightweight, the plastic bottle, very lightweight, and the 2 plants or the 2 cells inside, 7 ounces, that's great. I'm happy with that. So my profit margin will be, hang tight, let's see. Okay, I think, let's see, okay. So I put in that the cost was $1, and I sold it for $9.51. I could raise that price in the future if the sales go well, which is what I'll do. I'll incrementally raise the price if these sell very well. So the shipping cost me $3.28. My total profits after PayPal and eBay fees is $3.78. So like I said, if I can get that around $4 a unit net profit, I'll be really happy with that. So anyway. Okay, so one final thing I forgot to show you guys. I just printed out some instructions I just typed up real quick, and I'm going to put that in the box along with the plant. So that should wrap it up. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. As always, God bless each and every one of you. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. You know the you know the spiel. So anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Thrifty Christian, I'm out.